Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're in good health. And enjoying my content. Today, we are bringing you a beautiful idea of a backyard oasis. That is a place to relax, live, love, and flourish. So, today we are going to discuss all the possible options of decorating your backyard. Either that is perfect seating in your backyard for your backyard gateway, or a pool, spa plus cabana, and casual gathering areas with fire pits, stone walling, capping, travertine tiles, pebbles, and fire pits are the options for backyard houses design. So, backyard seating with fireplace, gravel, wooden decking is an amazing idea. So, there are multi level gardens. In them, you can arrange a patio too, on a raised level with climbers and string lights. Gravel can be used for creating multi-level garden, and which can create a big visual impact on a small outdoor patio. In small areas, we can create small shade like structures which connect like trellis, in which we can install fireplace. There are also the ideas of curtain metal fire table. That is just a luxury and amazing addition to your backyard, that you can install this fire table in the middle of your dining table. A piece of tranquility and natural pathways can be your backyard garden. You can do it with using wooden planks, gravel, poured gravel. You can also use some big size of slabs to cover those gravel to make stepping stones. These ideas are amazing just to make a living, breathing backyard. A backyard with a small raised patio in which you can also keep built-in seating, which can save your budget. It can be budget friendly because you don't have to buy colorful furniture for your patio if you build built-in seating. And if you don't want built-in seating, then addition of colorful furniture is also a beautiful and artistic option. Patios can be open or enclosed. Open patio is definitely not going to be a good option when it's raining, but enclosed patio you can sit or relax and chat even when it's raining. There are the ideas of cottage garden which definitely look more dreamy, romantic, and whimsy. And there are ideas of climbers, planters, which can be used on walls and on patios too. And they look just amazing. My dear friends, we have worked hard in collecting these ideas for you. So, for supporting our channel, please subscribe and like this video. As for our motivation, as a token of appreciation, please watch it till the end and like this video. We need your crucial support to work on this type of content in future too. These are just beautiful ideas, and thanks for watching.